Hi, this is Jacob House with Western Window Systems. Just came through our 900 series hinge door. You'll see that we've actually used this as an interior transition from a conference room into a hallway. We've done that by using an ADA approved threshold, creating a seamless transition from one room into the other. You can also use this from the interior of a home to the exterior or in a commercial setting. Like I said, we're ADA approved with this threshold. So 900 series door with the multi-point lock that has to be engaged by our handle. So once we press that in, we can engage a lock at the top and the bottom of the door in this style, as well as a key turn lock as well.
Awesome. So the 600 series swinging door from Western with the handicap, that's so a wheelchair, but the downfall of that is air and water infiltration, right?
Correct. Yeah, it's not rated or tested for water because there is a slight gap that you're going to see between that bottom rail and the actual threshold. But like Devin said, this would create a seamless transition for a wheelchair or any ADA threshold that needs to be accomplished.
So we have all the different styles of thresholds and details for you to come in and make sure we get the right details, because the devil's in the details on the different systems, right, Jacob?
Correct. Absolutely.
Awesome. Thanks, man.